The greatest shorting opportunity, the next big short of 2025, is almost on our doorsteps. And that's what I want to share with you right now. So, for you guys that like talking about what's called the macroeconomics, let's go down the rabbit hole of what we're talking about here, okay? And that is the good old oil market. The oil market, and let me show you this here for now. I want to bring this up and show you. This is the good old oil market here. And then we're going to go to USO, okay? So, what we're seeing right now on the good old USO, oil. USO is obviously the ETF, but oil itself is what? Very big downtrend, right? Very big downtrend. In fact, if we look at this here, we know we are getting ready for... There's a long way down to go. But we're... no. The macroeconomics is what? Drill, baby, drill. More gold oil or more... What was that? Liquid gold. More liquid gold underneath our feet. More supply, demand. Oil is probably going to go down, right? It's probably one of the most common sense trades of 2025. If you guys are macroeconomics. But how we know this is probably how markets work is this. Check out this. This is where it gets really confusing for a lot of people, because if I say market go down because of technical analysis and also that, but market go up, they say John got it wrong. No. Market go down overall. Yes. Right? Because what's going to happen here? How do markets work? We go through flows, right? We flow with the market. We go flow down, flow up, flow down, flow up. See how it flows, right? So we've been going down for a while. So what are we going to do? We're probably going to have a bit of a pullback here, or at least go sideways for a bit, probably for a few months, I would say. And then we get the big breakout to the downside. Okay? So that's what's probably going to happen there when it comes to the oil market. But just when I just mentioned the big picture here, like, oh, big drop in oil coming, I don't mean today. No one knows when, right? It's an overall picture. And the reason why that's so important is because, like, John, you said oil's gonna crash, and it went up today. It's like, you see what I'm saying, right? There's a big picture there. If you want to capitalize on big moves take time. Not 2 minutes for some of you guys, right? Gen Pop. It's like, oh, went up today, went down today, right? You're getting so sucked in by the short-term movement. Don't do that, okay? So the first thing I do say when it comes to the macroeconomics is indeed that we're probably going to see a lot more supply coming on the markets. And this is why it's one of the greatest shorting opportunities. And the second thing is, look at this compressing pattern through here. Right, look at this through here. We are about to go under, or we're about to undertake what I believe is going to be one of the greatest moves, but we're probably going to get a bit of a bounce for a few months. And then if we get that and we start to hold around this level here, and then we start to get a hard and fast drop down through here, the greatest, what I call the greatest shorting opportunity, I believe, through here. And that's the reason why we use the same analysis, but looking at the USO market. Now with the USO market, if you notice what happens when the market does nothing for a few years or more, when we do start to break out and start to trend once again, because there's no trend here right now, we're getting in at the start of the trend. And once we start to trend on this, which is probably going to be down, I don't know when, right? Once this thing starts to go down, we're probably not going to see a really big move. What I believe is the greatest short of 2025 is just around the corner.